We're going to make Easter bird's nest cookies. First, we need jelly beans, chow mein noodles, chocolate chip, cupcake baking tray. We also need a cup, a spatula, small cupcake papers, and a glass bowl. Pour 1 cup of chocolate chips into the bowl. Put it into the microwave for 1 minute and then stir it with a spatula. And then put it in the microwave for another minute and then stir it again. After the chocolate has been melted, pour 1 cup of chow mein noodles to the chocolate. Mix it. Add 1/2 cup to the chocolate. Mix it very well. Mix. Transfer it to the cupcake paper. Use a spoon to transfer the noodles to the cupcake paper. Press the nest down and then put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. After an hour from the fridge, peel the paper from the cookie. Be sure your hands are clean. Peel it carefully. It's time to put the eggs into the nest. So, open the bag of jelly beans and put the white jelly beans in there.